As promised in lesson 12, here is some practice of working out what to do, building the ability to spot a math skill you have that might be useful. So pause the video. You've got a sequence of just things. I'm just going to say the word things, each with a question mark. So the puzzle is, what could you do with each one? Obviously pause the video. Right, so my answers are, this first one here, you could simplify it. Look, you've got a plus x and a plus x, which makes 2x. Then you've got a y squared, and an xy, and they're all different things. So it's not much, but it's something. We were just able to simplify it a little bit. There we go. So that was a simplify. Let me just write the word simplify. Let's do the next one in a different colour. What about the next one? It's one equation, two unknowns. Wait a sec, I recognise this. If I add 2 to both sides, I end up with x plus 2 equals y, which is y equals 2x. If I write it, I just said that wrong. Y equals x plus 2. So I could sketch it. It's a graph. So let's just do a quick sketch. I'll do the graph in a different colour as usual. There we go, passing through 2. Let's do the next one. What about x squared plus 5x plus 6 equals 0? What are we going to do with that? It's an equation. It's got an x squared and an x, which is 2 different types of unknown. Oh wait, but it's equal to 0, so we can use that trick. So we factorise it, which gives us x plus 3, x plus 2 equals 0, and then we can break it down. We can say x plus 3 equals 0, or x plus 2 equals 0, and then we minus 3, minus 2, we end up with x equals minus 3, or x equals minus 2. So that was a solve. What about this next one? Oh, I'm running out of colours. I'm going to go back to red. What about this one here? It's fractions, stuff on top. Oh, wait. I'm just going to slightly rewrite it just to be absolutely sure. I've got 5xy, z, because z cubed is z times z times z, x, y, z. I'm going to cancel the z with the z, the y with the y, and the x with the x. Remember that that's a divide sign, so when you times and then divide by something, it cancels out. That leaves 5z squared. That's all that's left. So that was, I'm going to call that a cancel, because you can do that with fractions. Let's do the next one, this one down here. There's an x, and there's a y, and there's a z. There's no equal sign. If there's no equal sign, there's really not much we can do. It's not a fraction, so we can't do any of the fraction. Not possible. There's nothing we can do with that. We're just stuck with it. What about this last one? Well, it's brackets, so I guess we could expand. Which, you know, sometimes expanding is a useful thing to do. So that would be x squared plus 5x. There we go. So there's some examples of how we can just look at situations and just divine, work out things that we could do. And remember, we do one of those things and then we go, has that been useful? Has that progressed the situation? Can we move on and get on further with the question? See you in the next video.